Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to subscribe Amazon Prime. So, let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and go to the Amazon Prime sign up page. Then if you already have an Amazon account, sign in with your email address and password. And if you don't have any account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Then once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Amazon Prime page. And here you'll have to tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner. Then simply tap on Accounts and Settings. Inside Account and Settings, you can see the option Prime Membership available there. So, if you edit on Prime Membership, then you'll be able to see your subscription and review the subscription details, including the selected plan, billing frequency, and payment methods as well. So once you're satisfied with your choices, click on the Start Your Prime Membership or Join Prime button to confirm your subscription. And that is it. You have successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime and now you can start enjoying all the perks that comes with your membership. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.